Another bill would limit local civil rights laws. Supporters say it brings consistency.
But opponents say it erases protections. KCCI's chief political reporter Amanda Rooker is live at the State House to tell us how this bill would limit local government's civil rights laws. Amanda.
Well, Stacey and Ben, this bill is about who gets to set civil rights protections, and it actually goes back to last year when state lawmakers removed gender identity from Iowa's Civil Rights Act. Now, some cities tried to fill the gap and pass their own protections for transgender Iowans from discrimination. This new bill would shut that down, and it sparked a big reaction here at the State House.
Outrage spilled into the State House hallways. Protests over a bill that would prevent cities and counties from giving transgender Iowans civil rights protections.
You are inviting discrimination against trans people. You are welcoming employers to reject candidates. You are encouraging businesses to deny service.
This is the United States of America, not the United Counties, not the United Cities.
House Study Bill 664 would change Iowa's Civil Rights Act, which protects certain groups from discrimination in areas like employment, housing, and education. This bill would ban local governments from providing civil rights protections that are not listed in state law. That includes gender identity, which was removed from Iowa's Civil Rights Act last year.
We did what we did last year to ensure equal rights for everyone, and that is what we're doing here today.
Republican Representative Stephen Holt says this new bill brings consistency across the state and helps protect other Iowa laws from legal challenges.
We said participation in sports and schools has to be based on biology of birth to protect the rights of women, actual women. Whereas, if you have local ordinances that say otherwise, what is the school supposed to do?
More than a dozen Iowa communities have policies that protect against discrimination based on gender identity. This bill would force them to stop.
This one-size-fits-all preemption bill undermines the freedom of local elected officials to protect their own community's residents, whose needs they understand more than the state legislature.
Some Iowans warn the bill could limit local protections in the future.
If you take away civil rights here, that goes for job and disabled community too, because it's like domino effect. Who's next? Job and disabled community, and I will not stand for it.
Now, the bill advanced along party lines, but it passed through just the very first step in the legislative process. It still needs approval from the full Iowa House and the full Iowa Senate before it could go to the governor's desk for a signature. Live from the Iowa State House, Amanda Rooker, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.